Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to share a simple tip that will completely change your cooking experience, especially when you're using a dull knife. Here I have a potato. Do you know that frustrating feeling when you try to cut it but it just won't cut? I have a piece of paper here. I'll use a knife to cut it, but my knife is dull, so it can't cut the paper cleanly. It just tears it. Now I'll show you how to turn a dull knife that can't cut anything into a sharp blade that glides effortlessly through everything. To fix this, I'm going to grab my sharpening stone. Here I have 2 sharpening stones. One #240/#801/1000/3000. Mine is a dual-sided stone with a coarser grit on one side and a finer grit on the other. It's important to soak the sharpening stone in water before use. This process allows the stone to absorb water, which prevents it from drying out during sharpening and creates a slurry that helps lubricate the sharpening process, ensuring a smoother, more effective grind for your blade. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Now that the stone is properly soaked, I'm placing it on a non-slip mat to keep it steady. I'll start with the coarser number 240 facet, which is great for repairing large chips or very dull edges. The goal here is to establish a good consistent bevel on the knife, removing any major imperfections before moving on to a finer polish. Now for a little secret ingredient: baking soda. I'm sprinkling some baking soda onto the coarse side of the stone. Then, I'll spray a little water to create a paste. This baking soda paste acts as a mild abrasive and helps to clean the stone's surface, preventing it from clogging with metal particles. It really enhances the sharpening action, making it more efficient. I'm carefully sharpening each side of the blade, maintaining a consistent angle, working my way down the edge. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Once I'm satisfied with the rough side, I'll clean the sharpening stone and flip to the finer side, number 800. This side is essential for refining the edge, removing any microscopic burrs created by the coarser grit, and bringing the blade to a razor-sharp finish. Again, I'm adding a bit of baking soda and water to create that helpful paste, ensuring a super smooth action as I hone the blade. After a thorough sharpening with the first stone, I'm wiping the knife clean to remove any remaining sharpening powder residue and metal fragments. I'll take a second sharpening stone with a higher grit of #1000/#3000 for further refinement. I set the coarse side of the number 1000 stone to remove any small scratches caused by the coarser stone. I'm sprinkling some baking soda onto the coarse side and then spraying it with water to create a paste. This combination really helps to aggressively remove material and set that strong base edge. You can already see the difference as the blade starts to glisten. Now, I'm flipping to the smoother side with a grit of 3000. Again, I add baking soda and water to create a special mixture, which will give our knife a smoother and sharper surface. This final stage is all about achieving that mirror-polished, razor-sharp edge. I'm being extra gentle and precise, making sure every part of the blade gets the perfect finish. This is where the magic truly happens, transforming the edge into something extraordinary. After sharpening thoroughly with a fine whetstone, I'm rinsing and wiping the knife clean to remove any remaining sharpening powder. Watch as I effortlessly slice through this paper. It's like cutting through air, with no tearing or resistance whatsoever. This DIY sharpening method really works wonders. But the real test is in the kitchen. Remember how it struggled with the potato? Look at this now. It peels so smoothly, almost like butter. And slicing. It cuts through the potato effortlessly, creating perfectly thin, even slices. This is the kind of precision that makes cooking a joy, not a chore. This transformation is truly incredible. This DIY trick proves that with a little creativity and the right technique, you can revive your tools and elevate your cooking experience. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tips you'd like to see. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.